Tommy's like, I'm just a referee.
How cute. He's like,
Yeah.
now, if you look at this is excellent dog play. So if you go to a dog park, this is what you want to look for. You see one dog chasing another dog. Another dog is taking turns.
Yeah.
We have Matt here being the referee. He's involved in everything. This is good dog play. Look at their tail. Look at their ears. Look at their body. Okay? If any of them were stiff, that's when we have a problem. But they're all barking, giggling.
Yeah.
Barking's okay. Showing teeth is okay, especially for a spotty who's in your neck. That's, you have to kind of know how dogs play. But if you look at Matt, look at his tail going, okay? His tail is back and forth. That's, I want to play. Okay. That's mouthy. That's what he does. No, he did not touch the teeth on his skin at all. He showed it in his